Today, on the occasion of Constitution Day, there will be a special assembly. First, floral tribute to the Constitution of India. For this, I invite Manager Ma'am, Principal Sir, Administrator Sir, Teacher in Charge, Academic in Charge, Discipline in Charge, Santosh Sir and Manoj Kumar Sir. Thank you everyone. Now there will be a special pledge, the Preamble of India. Whole school, attention. Pledge position. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Hands down. Stand at ease. Now, special thought by Ankit Mandal of Standard 9C.
Good morning, well not present over here. Our constitutions guide us our constitution guide us to live with fairness, unity and dignity, reminding us to act responsibly for our nation's progress every day. It means that the constitution teaches us fairness and unity by following principles daily. We help create a powerful society and contribute to India's growth. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Speech by Soumya Suman of Standard 9B.
संविधान केवल किताब में लिखे शब्द है, वह हमारे देश की शान और आजादी की पहचान है. Good morning everyone, respected manager ma'am, principal sir, administrator sir, special guests, teachers, children, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Samvidhan Diwas of class 9D, feel deeply proud to speak on the soul of our democracy, the Constitution of India. It is not just a set of written rules. It is the dream of our freedom fighters and vision of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and the Constituent Assembly, who wanted to every Indian to live with dignity and equality. Our Constitution teaches us that no matter who we are or where we come from, we all are equal. It gives us duties which reminds us about our responsibilities and rights that protects our freedom. As students, our duties are simple: to respect others, to show the act of kindness, and to think honestly. Our Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. a document that turned dreams into direction and hopes into reality. So, on this special day, let us promise to live by the values of equality, fraternity, liberty, and justice, because the future of India is shaped by us, its young citizens. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Soumya. Now I invite Manoj Kumar sir to share his words with us.
Good morning, all of you. Honorable Principal Sir, Manager Madam, Prasanjit Sir, Santosh Sir, teachers present, and my dear students. Just now you have seen we were paying homage to the Constitution of India. Today is 26th November, and we remember this day as a Constitution Day. In Hindi, we can call it as Samvidhan Diwas. On this day only, in 1949, our Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution, means the supreme law of our nation. This was drafted under the leadership of P.R. Ambedkar, the founding father of the Constitution. This document holds the values of fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Now the question arises, why? We are going to celebrate this Constitution Day in the schools and colleges. I hope all of you just now have heard that you are the future citizens of your country. And it is very necessary that the students must be remembering, must be knowing to uphold the values of the Constitution, pay respect, have discipline, and be responsible towards the society and the nation. And at last, I just want to tell you or remind you that we should take a few minutes from our busy schedule to pay honor to those great leaders who have drafted this Constitution, and we should pledge to uphold the values of our Constitution. Thank you.
Honorable Manager of this school, Sohama, our Inspector Sir, Prasanjit Ji, Santosh Sir, all the staff members, and affectionate students. Actually, no need to mention here that today we are celebrating our Constitution Day. As Manoj sir right now told you, what is a constitution? A constitution is that thing where all the rules, regulations, policies of a state, of a country, that may be in written form or oral form. Why I mentioned oral form? Because Indian constitution is the largest written constitution of the world. In UK, that is in oral form. From generation to generation, in a oral form, they repeat the thing. But in India, it is in the written form, and we are very much proud that our constitution is the largest written constitution of the world, consists of 448 articles, 25 sections, and 12 parts divided them. 25 parts and 12 segments. When it was adopted in 26 November 1949, that was adopted, but enacted on 26 January 1950. At that time, only we had 395 articles and those are divided into 12 parts, and 8 substitute clauses were there. But with 106 amendments, the Constitution of India has been amended 106 times, and at present we have 448 articles, 25 parts, and 12 clauses are there. And Indian Constitution, I can say, is the most available and most genuine constitution of the world. Because some of the articles, some of the clauses, those are derived from other constitution of the world. After a review of 32 constitution of the world, the framers, the persons those who made Indian constitution, the things those are suitable enough in Indian consequence, in Indian context, those are derived from other constitution also, and they have applied their own mind also, and we are very much proud to get such a constitution. Dear students, one thing you mentioned here, India, that is Bharat, is a federal republic, democratic country. The word federal itself indicates the division of the government, central government, state government, like that one. Sovereign, republic, democratic, secularism, these are the key hallmarks of Indian constitution. And on this day, on the celebration of Indian constitution, just I congratulate to all of you, all the citizens of this country, and being the future citizens of the country, our constitution, our nation, our people expect a lot from your side. Be a true patriotic citizen of India. Just think something for the sake of our country. Be a true Indian. This much for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.